When I said YouTube is one of the best and most profitable online business that anybody can literally start in this 2025 with zero capital, like, I was not joking. This is because YouTube pays you irrespective of your little views, and no other platform can literally do this. Guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how much YouTube pays for just 200 views. Just 200 views in this 2025. I bet you no social media platform pay this high. So because I don't want this video to be long, I just want you to come with me to my screen recorder. Let me show you how much YouTube is paying and why you should start YouTubing this 2025. I don't want to talk too much. I want to show you evidence. Guys, come with me. Let me show you how much YouTube is paying with as low as 200 views. This video has 216 views. How viewers found this video? Viewers got to find this video through YouTube recommendation, YouTube search, channel pages, and other YouTube features. For the audience retention, here the key moments for audience retention are: number 1, introduction; number 2, top moment; number 3, sparks and dips. Guys, I like saying this over and over again. Your introduction should always be captivating. In all you do, try as much as you can to have an introduction that will keep people watching your video. Looking at this video, it has 2 sparks already. Sparks means that moment that people watch your video more than usual. Looking at the impression, this video has 2.5k impression, meaning that this video has gotten to 2,500 persons. Do you understand? Don't play. So guys, looking at other sites that brought people to this video, external sites or apps, here we have WhatsApp 40%, whatsapp.com 40%, WhatsApp business 20%. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. Now let me tell you something about external sites. If you get to see any app here under these external sites that you are not very familiar with, please trace it. Go and find out where that app is and what that app does. You understand? Now, YouTube search term. These are the YouTube search term. These are the words that people were looking for on YouTube that actually brought them to this video. So for content suggesting this video, here are the content suggesting this video. Always go and check content suggesting your videos. If content suggesting your videos are not content in your niche, it means that YouTube does not understand what you are doing. For engagement, this video has gotten 8.4 watch time. 8.4 watch time. This is amazing, guys. So here we have the likes versus dislikes. Okay guys, so at this point, if you're yet to like this video, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe. Thank you. At this point, let us move over to audience. Now guys, here we have a total number of 70 returning viewers. 70 returning viewers. Guys, this is amazing. And here we have viewers also watch. So it is also important you should be checking other videos on your channel that your viewers are also watching, so that you know which of your content that you should improve upon. Device type. So some persons watch with their mobile, some persons watch with their computer, some persons with their TV, some persons with their tablet. This is amazing. And now the top geography is Nigeria. The top geography is Nigeria, and that is about 35%. So here we have top subtitles / languages and all of that. And we have watch time from subscribers. Not subscribed is 63.2%, while subscribed is 36.8%. Wow. So people who have not subscribed to this YouTube channel are the people watching the video. They must. Jesus Christ. This is amazing, guys. Okay, so at this point, let us move over to why we are here. And you know what? You already know why we are here. We are here because of the revenue, because you want to know how much YouTube pays for 200 views. So guys, here we have estimated revenue. So the estimated revenue for this video is 83 cents. How you make your money, how this video got to make money, was through watch, paid ads. Watch paid ads 100%. So this video has literally made 83 cents. 83 cents. Like, guys, if you're in Nigeria, you know that if you have videos that are giving you 83 cents, like, you okay, let's check video performance. So this the revenue per 1k view, that's the RPM, is $5.98. $5.98. So this literally means that for every 1k view on this video is going to make $5.98. That's almost $6. So how much advertisers pay? Advertisers paid $8.57 per 1,000 views. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. So let's assume this video gets up to 200,000 views. 200,000 views. Now calculate it. If per 1,000 view, YouTube is willing to pay $5.98. Now calculate it. If this video gets like 200,000 views or 1 million views, this is amazing. This is a quick reminder that you should start YouTubing. This is a quick reminder that if you're looking for a side hustle, no side hustle will pay you better than YouTube, and no side hustle will give you so much time. Like, you have the freedom, you can always record your video at any time, you can always record from any place that you are. There is no compulsory reporting to the office and all of that. Guys, if you're yet to start YouTubing, this is a wake-up call for you to start in this August 2025. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.